Artair Mobile Air Conditioner, Taiwan Technology Cooling Legend. Soft touch control and LCD display. High quality compressor and large heat exchangers, faster cooling. Integral structure, reducing noise. Vortex fan housing, 2-axis motor and large fan wheel, stronger wind, 3D air output, rapid cooling for the whole house. Condensate water self-evaporation, free drainage and higher efficiency. Removable top panel for cleaning the filters. Optional dual hoses system, cooling down the whole house. Artair Mobile Air Conditioner, cooling, dehumidifying and fan 3-in-1 functions.